Hello, today we have Fraser Atkinson, CEO of GreenPower Motor Company, which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol GP. Fraser, thanks for being with us today.
Pleasure to be here.
Fraser, can you start by giving our viewers a brief overview of GreenPower and the key markets you serve?
So GreenPower designs, manufactures, and distributes a suite of all-electric vehicles for the medium and heavy-duty commercial, passenger, and school sectors.
Recently, GreenPower delivered its first Beast school bus produced in your West Virginia manufacturing facility, Fraser. Tell us more about this milestone and what it means for GreenPower's production capabilities.
So this was the first larger school bus that we produced out of our West Virginia facility. Last December, we had produced and delivered our first smaller school buses, our Type A school bus that we call the Nano Beast. So with this first order and delivery behind us, we are now working on our next order for 37 Beast school buses, and we're looking forward to many more orders to follow.
Can you discuss with us the financial incentives and regulatory mandates that are driving the adoption of all-electric vehicles, and how is GreenPower leveraging all this to enhance its growth?
Well, in the case of the school bus sector, the mandates that originally originated out of the state of New York, where they are requiring all school districts and operators of school buses to be fully electric by the mid-2030s. And other states have followed, most notably California. So with those mandates, it's often difficult to fulfill the mandates if there isn't additional funding available. And so funding is available in particular in the state of California for school bus purchases, as well as the EPA at a federal level that is providing funding for the acquisition of all-electric school buses.
So it seems clear that we've got a growing market here. How big do you estimate that overall market being?
So to give context for just state of New York, which has approximately 50,000 school buses in operation today, and the state of California with 30,000, those 80,000 at an average sticker price for the various electric school buses of about $325,000 represents a market opportunity of $25 billion. So that's over the next 7 to 8 years that operators need to electrify their school bus fleets in just those two states. And other states are now following the lead from California and New York.
Now, that's a very powerful magnet there. What is going to set GreenPower apart from its competitors?
Well, once in the school bus space, we are the only manufacturer that has purpose-built all-electric Class 4 Type A school bus, our smaller Nano Beast, and the only, along with the larger Type D school bus. And so that clearly sets us apart from any other OEM. And in the case of the commercial vehicle space, which more recently in the state of California has seen mandates initiated this current calendar year, we are the only ones that have our own all-electric cabin chassis that we use to build out our passenger on various commercial vehicles. So in both of those markets, we have a distinctive advantage in terms of the products that we have designed and that we manufacture and have brought to market.
Fraser, what is the essential value proposition? Why should an investor take an interest in GreenPower right now?
Well, as I mentioned, these mandates are recent, so the timing is very opportune in terms of the mandates that is going to drive growth in the two primary sectors that we're focused on, which is in the commercial vehicle and the school bus sector. And we just see nothing but tremendous growth opportunities in those markets for the next 10 years.
Sounds really great. Thank you for sharing your story with us, Fraser.
Thank you.